Welcome to another episode of Markets Dawn Europe, an audio podcast on financial markets for European-based professionals. A minimalistic solution to the information overload in mainstream and social media. This is what you need to know today. Morning. Asian equities are selling off today, driven by weakness in Hong Kong, mainland China and Korea, as Trump's odds of winning the election showed improvements in the latest polls, which anticipate a tight contest. A Republican government is expected to bring higher tariffs and bond yields, with increased Treasury issuance. Interest rate options markets are anticipating sharp moves in yields following the election next week. Stocks in Tokyo are advancing 1%, while the yen is flat this morning. Europe's stock futures are pointing to a weaker open, while US futures are flat overnight. European stocks finished lower yesterday, driven by weak or unconvincing earnings reports by Novartis, BP, and Santander, which fell the most among Stoxx 50 members. The broader Stoxx 600 benchmark traded sideways during October. Before today's market open, UBS delivered a large profit beat, reporting more than twice the earnings expected. Wall Street finished firmer on Tuesday, with Nasdaq benchmarks hitting a fresh record, and Alphabet reported solid results after the close, beating estimates on the back of a strong cloud services unit, and shares rallied 6% in after hours. Revenues at Google's parent grew by 15% year-on-year, and net income expanded by 33%. On the AI world, chipmaker AMD fell 7% after the close on the back of a disappointing growth outlook. Reddit, the US social media platform, saw shares rally 25% in after hours following its first profit announcement. Shares have gained 117% since its IPO last March. In new corporate bond issues, L'Oréal placed 7-year senior notes in euros, rated AA, at 2.88%. And Sweden's real estate developer Heimstaden sold 5 years BBB- senior bonds at 4.04%. Regarding credit ratings, French luxury company Kering was downgraded one notch by S&P to BBB+, outlook stable. It will be an active day on the data front, with Q3 GDP updates in the Eurozone, its members, and in the US. Inflation in Germany, Spain and Belgium, as well as Eurozone's sentiment indicators. Earnings today: UBS, Airbus, VW and BASF in Europe. Microsoft and Meta after the US close, and Eli Lilly, Caterpillar and Abvai before the open. The British government announces its autumn budget at midday London time. Thanks for your time. See you tomorrow. Visit laconicbriefs.com to subscribe to our newsletter, including this audio podcast with an extended script if you prefer to read, plus performance tables and charts, all in one place. Delivered straight to your inbox every morning, Monday to Friday.